it hasn't been moving clean. Like if on the intraday action on that thing, I haven't noticed really any. You'll have to watch this level it's been stuck at. It's been stuck in that kind of that 46, 47 range forever. Ooh, Kelly with the full-blown list. Hey, Cals, what's up? Okay, so Kelly's list: Cody, Cron, TPNL, HBI, TGI, HBAN. All right, so Cals, I would definitely keep that TPNL on the list. You're good with that. Hanes underwear. It was moving okay after its ORB, so like I think you could probably still play this. Watch that high from the previous day. TGI. So like something like this, Kels, this is going to be up like 6-7 days in a row. And so like I personally would stay away from the TGI just because when you don't have like a, when you're up like 6-7 days in a row like that, like I personally, for me, that's a little bit extended. PDN. This one, see how the space is on this, Kels? That's usually like an ADR or something that's e-liquid. You got only 40,000 shares of volume. Let's see. This one too, up too many days in a row. And it's a REIT. These things move slow. We need hotter plays. MPW looks okay. The range on this is going to stink. It's also a REIT, right? So when you got a REIT, man, that's going to be, I don't know, that's going to be a little bit slow. You've only got like 50 cents of, 50 cents of upside on that thing. Morning, everybody. What's going on? Steve, your list is good. Good, good, good. All right. So look, the market's down a little bit today. So what we've got to make sure that we do is, right, we've got to have a little bit of a bounce day. Once we come down a little bit, I think we'll be fine. We ran right into resistance, right? So when you run into resistance, like what you got to really think about is like, okay, this thing's got to pull all the way back. So now you got like this nice, easy pullback right over there. Oh man, my go-to webinar got shut off. Hold on here. Hey, what's up, guys? Now on the other side of things, like check out the spot, right? So you had this like big move up. And now you've run into resistance. You're starting to pull back over here. So we just got to get this thing kind of cruising. I think we're going to be good to go. In the end, like the markets, when they get overbought, they just got to pull back, right? And so that's what we're kind of seeing with this is like, all right, we're resting on the 9. We may have some, we may have some downside on this thing, but we're probably getting closer to the bounce spot. In general, to really get this market going, we got to break and hold over that 200 SMA. If we can, I think we're going to have some more upside. But if we start to really roll back here and we can't hold these supports, that's going to be a little bit tricky. So we'll have to really be mindful of, kind of the different levels of what's going down. What are you guys watching today? Hold on here one second. My go-to webinar got messed up. All right, cool. I think we're back. Hey, Addicted, what's going on? Marv, how you doing, buddy? Let's take a look at some of the gappers for today, and we'll also kind of dig into some of these other plays. So, on the gap side, Keep this comb on the list. Comb breaking out to all-time highs here. You got a 61 million share float on this bad boy. I think this one should have a lot of juice on it. We've got ourselves like a really nice kind of level. Stocks that gap up and break out to all-time highs, those can be really, really good. These can be really, really good type of breakouts. So we've got to just be careful of that. UBNT, same type of deal, right? You've got a 115 breakout on this bad boy. I like this one. So you got only, man, you only got like probably a 30, 40 million, 8 billion shares, 80 million share float on it. So I think that that one's going to look pretty good also. CMG looks okay. Jamal, what's up, baby? Now this Cody's coming right out of range here. You know, you got, I think this one may have some juice. You don't have any level of resistance till you're like, you don't have any level of resistance till like 1149. So that's going to be something. That's going to be something. All right, I'll turn the YouTube off. Hold on. Guys, I got to go. I think my chat room webinar is messing up when I simultaneously run the YouTube. I'm going to fix the audio for tomorrow, guys. Let me go through this real quick for you guys. SKX. This is another one that you got like a big base breakout on. I think that one's going to look okay. This MHK is going to be sneaky. So this thing used to be 300 bucks. Now you're coming out of this range. You know, you should be good to go. We'll see what's going down on this thing. I think if it can break and hang over this level, you should be okay. And then this Expedia I got also on the list. And then we got VRCA. So we got this thing, 200-day moving average. If you can break and hold under this thing, I think you're going to have a little bit of juice. The caveat on this is, going to be that there is, the caveat on this is going to be the SSRs on it. When the SSRs on this bad boy, they just don't work right. So we'll have to be real careful because I've noticed when the SSRs on these things, they've been squeezing a little bit at the open. And then I got this carb on the list too, which is like, as long as it can stay under 23, I think you can look at this one for a potential ORB to the downside. Otherwise, it's going to be just a dud. Guys, it's Friday. Go have a little fun. Do what you got to do. Let's pate.